See, Catia session number 1. Introduction to Catia. What is Catia? Catia is a computer-aided three-dimensional interactive application. It is a robust and versatile software suite developed by the Cell Systems company. It is primarily used for computer-aided designs, that is a CAD, computer-aided manufacturing, that is a CAM, computer-aided engineering, that is a CAE, 3D modeling and product lifecycle management, PLM. Design intent in CATIA. Design intent refers to the strategic planning and decision-making process during the creations of a CAD model to ensure that the model behaves predictably when the changes are made. This concept is crucial in CATIA to maintain the integrity and functionality of a design throughout its life cycle. It involves embedding the designer's knowledge, constraints and relationships into the model to facilitate easy modifications and updates. Three principles of design's intent in CATIA. First one is parametric designs. Use parameters, dimensions, angles, etc. to control and drive the geometry. Second one is the constraints and relations. Apply geometric constraints, example parallelisms, perpendicularity to maintain relationship between features. Third one is the feature-based modeling. Build models using a series of features, example, extrudes, revolves that defines the shape. Fourth one is modularity. Designs components and assemblies in a modular way to facilitate easy changes and reuse. First, fifth one is associativity. Maintain links between related elements so that changes in one element propagate to others. Sixth one is robustness. Anticipate potential changes and design the model to accommodate them. System requirements for CATIA. Operating systems. First one is operating systems, Windows, Linux. In Windows, there is a Windows 10, Windows 8.1, in Windows 7 SPI. Linux is the Red Hat Enterprise Linux. SUSE Linux Enterprise Desktop and Ubuntu. Second one is the processor CPU. Minimum Intel Core i5 or AMD equivalent is required. Third one is memory. In memory, minimum memory is required 8 GB. Recommended is 16 GB or more. Graphics card is GPU. Minimum NVIDIA Quadra or AMD Fire Pro series with at least 1 GB VRAM is required. Storage is a minimum 20 GB free hard disk space for installations. Display minimum 1218 by 1024 resolutions is required. Getting started for CATIA. Just a click on start in mechanical designs and part design. We will see in auto CATIA. Just click on start in mechanical design drop down and click on part design. You can see this one is a drawing area and there is a all commands are showing here. Now we will see understand Catia user interface is there. Catia V5 user interface. This one is a menu bar. This one is a online help is there, and this one is a current application. And these tools are there. Applications toolbar, and this one in bottom side view toolbar is there, and file toolbar in this side is there. Workbenches in Catia. There is a mechanical designs in a mechanical designs in drop down part designs, assemble designs, sketches, weld designs, mold tooling designs, all drafting, sheet metals, surface designs, and the wireframes and surface designs are there in workbenches. Menus and toolbar in Catia. In menus, you can see here infrastructures, mechanical design, shape, analysis, and simulations. All tools are present here. Toolbars are there. In view 1, we will see in Catia. This one is the V1 toolbars, command lists are there, geometry, specifications, compass, preset compass, tree expansions, specifications overview, geometry overview, fit all in, zoom area, zoom in out, pan, rotate, modify, render views, render style, navigation mode, and this one is the lighting, depth effect, ground, magnifier, hide and show, and full screen. Now we will see specification tree. When you are starting, you can see here there is a specification tree in this side. This is called as a specification tree. Graphic properties toolbars are there. In view, you can see here there is a view one is there, toolbars. There is a lot of commands are there present here. Document management are there. In file, you can see in Catia there is a file, and you can see save managements are there, document properties are there. In view manipulations, there is a lot of commands are there. You can see here. In view manipulations, you can see there is a lot of commands are there. There is a uh, fly mode is there, play mode is there, and fit all in. This is a pan, this is a rotate, this is a zoom in, this is a zoom out, and this is a normal view, create multi views and isometric view. You can see here manipulations. And the standard toolbars are there. In standard toolbar, you can see in Catia there is a lot of commands are there. You can see this one is, you can see here there is a lot of commands are there. This is a standard toolbars. Sketchum based features are there. You can see it. Today's session is completed. Thank you.